Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest error. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest error, you should just go to settings and you will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Pinterest here and you will click. When you will see this page, you will go to click for stop. Then you will enter to storage. After that, you will go to click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff, as you see here, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for watching.